or crimes that the ICC can investigate: genocide, war crimes, war of aggression or crimes of aggression, and crimes against humanity. So, the magnitude of these offenses is so much that probably a local court will not be able to independently and efficiently handle such crimes. No? So in our case, we are saying that the war on drugs does not even fall under any of those four categories. We do not consider the war on drugs as a crime against humanity because it's a legitimate law enforcement operation. It's called war on drugs. It's not a war on drug users or a war on drug pushers. No, it's a war against the crime itself. We're trying to address that situation.